Things are pacing up as we are getting closer to the launch of Galaxy S23 Ultra, and there are a couple of leaked trailers are also out for the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and we even get the place and time for the Galaxy S23 Ultra launch. But before moving on, make sure to subscribe to the channel. As per Samsung's official website, Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to launch on 1st of Feb 2023 at 10 AM Pacific time, and this event will be held in San Francisco. After 3 years, we are seeing the in-person event from Samsung, and if you don't attend the event, you can still watch from their website and their YouTube channel. If you want to get Galaxy S23 Ultra, there is a good news waiting for you. As per Samsung's official website, if you pre-order Galaxy S23 Ultra now, you guys will going to get a $50 free credit from Samsung. And if you pre-order both devices, including S23 Ultra and Galaxy Book 3, then you guys will going to get a $100 Samsung credit. Let me know in the comments, are you guys going to get Galaxy S23 Ultra? Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to get a much updated cameras, and there are in total 2 trailers, or you should say teaser of Galaxy S23 Ultra confirming multiple things. First teaser shows Galaxy S23 Ultra is made for moonlight, captured the night even in low light, meaning there is much updated night photography feature we are going to get in the S23 Ultra, even confirmed a while ago from multiple tipsters including Ice Universe. Samsung even gave the new night photography feature to its selfie shooter, although the selfie shooter is seeing a downgrade from the 40 megapixel to 12 megapixel, but with dual pixel technology, Samsung is adding this to selfie shooter, also going to add a new pro mode on the S23 Ultra. Not just that, there is a second teaser saying megapixels that will make you say wow. Worthy resolution coming. A whopping 200 megapixel camera is coming on the S23 Ultra, and that is the reason why we are not going to see some major updates on the Galaxy S23 Ultra other cameras, where no update on the ultra wide, no update on the telephoto sensor, and no update on the selfie shooter even seeing a downgrade. Also, due to cost-cutting strategy, Samsung didn't update the display on the S23 Ultra. As you guys might know, we are going to see the same 1700 and 15 nits peak brightness on the S23 Ultra, same as last year Galaxy S22 Ultra. If you guys are thinking of reserving the new Galaxy S23 Ultra or any other Galaxy device, including S23 or S23 Plus, then make sure to check the price of both devices, as we might see a price jump on all 3 models of Galaxy S23 Ultra. So if you guys want to check the increased price of Galaxy S23 Ultra, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.